For the ongoing fight against insecurity for Niger, plus the ogbonge efforts to stop illegal waka for Niger Delta area, soldiers wey dey under Operation Delta Safe don recover more than 201,345 litres of stolen crude oil, 29,730 litres of illegal refined diesel, and 1,758 litres of kerosene. The Director of Defence Media Operations, Major General Marcus Kange, yarn dis one for Abuja. He tok say the soldiers still find and scatter 18 illegal crude oil cooking ovens, 32 dugout pits, 16 boats, 21 storage tanks, 17 drums, and 19 illegal refinery sites. According to Kange, as soldiers dey run their operations, dem still catch one notorious cult leader wey dem dey call Prince Johnson Ishirim, aka Commander Junior, with 13 other suspected criminals and kidnappers for Ahoada East Local Government of Rivers State, plus Oshimiri, Warri South, and Okwani Local Government areas of Delta State. Meanwhile, soldiers wey dey under Operation Udoka no rest at all last week. Dem kill 2 suspected IPOB members, arrest 14, and rescue 6 kidnapped people for Agwata and Ihiala local government areas of Anambra State, as well as Isiala Ngwa South, Arochukwu, and Okigwe local governments for Abia and Imo states. Dem recover guns, bullets, vehicles, and Okada from suspects. Soldiers still raid one criminal hideout for Southern Ijaw local government area of Bayelsa State on 10th of July 2025, where dem arrest 28 oil thieves and some drug sellers. Still on top the matter, e tok say soldiers rescue 2 people wey dem kidnap during one intelligence-led operation wey shele for Udi local government of Enugu State on 14th of July.
I need to reiterate that our military operations are guided by clear mandate to defeat all forms of threat, maintain peace and promote national unity and protect every Nigerian citizen. We are committed to transparency, and it is our responsibility to keep the public informed about the nature and objectives of these operations. We recognize the critical role of the media in keeping the public informed about our operational activities and fostering trust within the military and civilian population. Within the period 10 to 17 July 2025, troops of armed forces of Nigeria killed scores of terrorists while suspected others were arrested. Troops also apprehended perpetrators of oil theft and rescued some kidnapped hostages. In Operation Delta Safe Theater, for example, troops foiled oil theft worth over 291,326,400 naira only. The breakdown indicates 201,345 liters of stolen crude oil, 29,730 liters of illegally refined automotive gas oil, and 1,751 liters of dual-purpose kerosene. Additionally, they discovered and destroyed 18 crude oil cooking ovens, 32 dugout pits, 16 boats, 21 storage tanks, 17 drums, and 19 illegally refining sites. Other items recovered include pumping and drilling machines, tricycles, motorcycles, mobile phones, and 13 vehicles, among others. Furthermore, 42 oil thieves and other criminals were arrested, while assorted arms and ammunition and some explosives were also recovered. During this brief, I shall give an overview of the activities of the Joint Task Force Northeast Operation Haɗin Kai, Joint Task Force Northwest Operation Fansa Yamma, Joint Task Force North Central Operation Safe Haven, and Joint Task Force North Central Operation Wild Stroke. Thereafter, the successes recorded by Joint Task Force South-South Operation Pulo Shield and Joint Task Force Southeast Operation Udoka shall also be discussed.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohifemi Onosimo, TMC News.